Imagine this. You wake up, not to an alarm, but to the gentle sound of waves washing ashore. You step onto your private balcony, and before you lies the breathtaking expanse of the world's longest natural sea beach, stretching into the horizon. This is the Cox's Bazar dream, and if you're watching this travel vlog, you're ready to experience it in absolute style. But a quick search for the best hotel in Cox's Bazar sends you down a rabbit hole of infinity pools, 5-star promises, and a dozen open tabs. How do you cut through the marketing noise to find true top-tier luxury and avoid booking a bad hotel? That's where our honest review comes in. We've done the deep dive, sorting through the hotel list to bring you the best budget-friendly beach hotels in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. We're going beyond the promotional photos to give you the real story on the amenities, the service, and the views, so you can close those tabs and start planning your perfect luxury travel escape. Hotel number 1, the iconic legend, Sayeman Beach Resort. First up is a name that is synonymous with the history of Cox's Bazar, the Sayeman Beach Resort Hotel. Originally established in 1964, this legendary hotel, sometimes known as Sayeman Beach Resort, was reborn in a new beachfront location, masterfully blending its vintage chic heritage with modern luxury. Its crown jewel is the breathtaking oceanfront infinity pool. The resort features a range of beautifully designed rooms and suites, many offering panoramic ocean views. Nightly prices for this luxury hotel review start from around $67. For nearby attractions, the hotel is perfectly situated on Marine Drive, just a short drive from the bustling Kollol Beach, Sagana Beach, and the Radiant Fish World Aquarium. For travelers seeking a hotel with a rich history and a prime beachfront location, Sayeman Beach Resort is an undeniable top choice. Hotel number 2, the sprawling sanctuary, Sea Pearl Beach Resort and Spa. Next, we travel to a resort that defines itself with 3 words: space, serenity, and amenities. Welcome to Sea Pearl Beach Resort and Spa. Spread across a massive 15 acres on the quieter Inni Beach, this 5-star resort is a 40-minute drive from the city's core, offering an all-inclusive and tranquil escape. The resort houses 493 luxurious rooms and suites, with prices starting from approximately $91 per night. What truly sets Sea Pearl apart is its sheer scale of facilities. It boasts 2 swimming pools, a private beach, a full-service spa, a gym, and even a 3D movie hall. It is a fantastic family-friendly option. Its location offers easy access to the beautiful Inni Beach and the nearby Himkori waterfall. If your perfect vacation means having every imaginable amenity at your fingertips, Sea Pearl is in a class of its own. Hotel number 3, the Urban Oasis, Long Beach Hotel. For those who crave luxury while staying close to the vibrant heart of the city, our third pick is the Long Beach Hotel. This 4-star hotel offers a perfect balance of resort-style indulgence and urban convenience. It's an excellent choice for families and travelers on a Cox's Bazar tour who want to easily explore nearby markets. The hotel features a beautiful indoor swimming pool, a 24-hour health club, and a dedicated children's pool. Rooms are celebrated for their comfort, with prices starting from around $70. Located minutes from the airport, the Long Beach Hotel is a short walk from Suganda Beach Point and is close to the popular Burmese Market and Laboni Beach. This hotel delivers a complete high-quality experience in the city's main hotel zone. Hotel number 4, the architectural marvel, Ocean Paradise Hotel and Resort. If your ideal hotel combines a vibrant atmosphere with unique design, look no further than the Ocean Paradise Hotel and Resort, a name that frequently comes up when discussing luxury hotels in Cox's Bazar. This 5-star hotel is instantly recognizable for its stunning modern architecture. Guests rave about amenities like the outdoor pool, fitness center, and spa. A room tour would reveal 296 tastefully appointed rooms, with prices starting at approximately $65 per night. Its prime location provides effortless access to Kollol Beach and local restaurants like Cove and Mermaid Cafe. For a stay that feels both grand in scale and energetic in spirit, the Ocean Paradise Hotel Cox's Bazar is an outstanding choice. Hotel number 5. The all-round performer, Hotel the Cox today. Finally, we have an exceptional all-rounder that consistently delivers on luxury, service, and facilities. Hotel the Cox today. This 5-star Cox's Bazar hotel is known for its lavish accommodations, making it a reliable choice for any hotel review. The hotel features a full-service spa, an outdoor pool, and a health club. With rooms starting from around $41, it offers great value. Its on-site restaurant serves international cuisine, and guests can enjoy stunning views from the rooftop terrace. It is conveniently located just a short walk or drive from the Burmese Market, Sagunda Beach, and Laboni Beach, making it a solid base for tourism activities. With its proven blend of solid amenities and attentive service, Hotel the Cox today ensures a comfortable and truly luxurious stay. Now, for those looking for a Cox's Bazar hotel list and price that's more accessible, here are some more incredible 3- and 4-star gems. This is where you might find some cheap hotels in Cox's Bazar that don't skimp on quality. Hotel Kollol by J&Z Group. A highly rated 3-star hotel on Laboni Beach, with prices from around $55. It's near the Burmese Market and offers a fantastic combination of affordability and luxury. Windy Terrace Boutique Hotel. This 3-star boutique hotel in the Kollol zone is praised for its rooftop pool. Prices start around $76, and it's within walking distance of Sagunda Beach and Laboni Point. Best Western Heritage. A reliable 4-star international chain with rooms starting from about $36. It offers a polished experience near Kollol Beach. Exotica Sampan Hotel and Resort. Situated on Marine Drive with prices from about $64. This 3-star hotel features a lovely rooftop terrace with stunning sea views and is just steps from the beach. Grace Cox Smart Hotel. A modern 4-star option with prices starting from $57. It's well located on Sea Beach Road, providing easy access to Sagunda and Kollol beaches. So there you have it, our honest review of 5 incredible 4- and 5-star hotels in Cox's Bazar, plus some great value honorable mentions. Whether you're drawn to the iconic history of Sayeman, the sprawling amenities of Sea Pearl, the urban convenience of the Long Beach Hotel, the modern vibe of Ocean Paradise, or the all-around quality of Hotel the Cox today, we hope this guide helps you plan an amazing Cox's Bazar tour. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you stayed at any of these lavish spots? Do you have another favorite from the Cox's Bazar hotel list that we missed? Drop a comment below. Your tips could help other travelers find their perfect getaway. And if you found this video helpful, do us a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps our channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you won't miss our next travel guide. Picking the right hotel can make all the difference on your Cox's Bazar Sea Beach vacation. For iconic luxury, Sayeman Beach Resort is your go-to. If you want a sprawling sanctuary, Sea Pearl is unmatched. For a 4-star urban oasis, Long Beach Hotel is the perfect choice. If a striking design is what you're after, Ocean Paradise delivers. And for a trusted 5-star all-rounder, Hotel the Cox today has you covered. No matter where you stay, you're set for an unforgettable time. Thanks for joining our luxury hotel tour. Travel smart, and we'll see you in the next video.